Primetime news this evening. Prime Minister promises better days ahead in the fight against crime. Criminals committing robberies to pay legal fees. National Security Minister weighs in. And Police High Command visits scene of mass shooting in St. Catherine.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Vashon Brown has our preview.
Thank you so much, Janella. So the government has crafted new regulations aimed at tackling corruption in state-owned entities. But are the changes still too weak or long outdated? I'll tell you later on in the business day.
All right, thanks, Vashon. From Vashon, we go to Karen, who has the latest in sports. Karen, what's coming up?
Thanks, Herman. Well, another MVP athlete is changing camps. We will tell you who and where to in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question: what is your reaction to the decision to amend the Noise Abatement Act to temporarily extend the hours of events by 2 hours each night?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.